Hello everybody, what you're looking at here is a 2001 air-cooled Hampton made carriage house. First generation ceiling fan. I got this off Marketplace for $20, surprisingly. It's missing a globe. I don't know where to buy one unless one pops up on Marketplace. But, yeah. Go ahead and shut the light. It is a 4-way light, as you can see. So you can see, it's a very nice fan. I like it a lot. It reverses from white to oak. It's very cool. And it has a Hampton logo. Somehow it's a ball socket, which is surprising because I thought only SMT did it, as you can see. So, yes. Surprisingly, it also came with both of its chains, which is something you never see. This fan has a little bit of bearing noise. I tried putting oil in the bearings, but it did not work. I did get a antique brass one in early, probably I think 1995 maybe. I know it's early because it has pointed blades and glossy blades, and it's also made by CEI. This fan is installed in my storage room at my grandparents' house. It's definitely one of my favorite fans in my collection. Or at least one of my favorite Hampton Bay fans. And the blades are a little out of whack. Well, the blade arms don't look out of whack. I think it's just the blades are a little warped. Which isn't too bad. As long as it doesn't wobble or rattle or do any of the above. And it's fine. Hold it up high. This is honestly one of the best Hampton Bays that they ever created. Just based off the style, the way the housing looked especially. And yeah, I like the white and brass ones the best. I really want an SMC one, or like an early SMC one with the 4 blades and the blankets have stems. You see. So originally this fan came with the oak side facing down. But honestly, I think that looked kind of ugly, so I reversed it and I cleaned the blades as well. So the bearing loss is gone. That's actually really good. Turn the light off. I plan to take this down because I want to put the Hampton Bay grate in here. Because this is a little too light, because it's from 2001. It doesn't really match the other fans, which are kind of mid-90s Hampton Bays. If this was an early one, then that would have been, it would be better. But yeah, I assume this one had the black box, or the black and, it might have the black and polished brass or gold box. Yeah. All right, move it off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of my 2001 52-inch Hampton Bay carriage house, first generation fan, and I'm out.